Hey guys, it's me, HGP3, and this is my cat when I open the refrigerator. That's Jizanthipus, and that is Fluffy. What is this mysterious thing? Watch what happens when I open the ham. Hold on. I don't know what you could see right here, but let's see if I can. I don't know. Sorry. He climbed onto the thing. I don't know if he's gonna do it again. Are you? Are you? What do you want? What do you want? You could smell it. I opened the ham and they could smell it. What is it? If you're gonna be like that, then fine. Hold on, let me get it. Hold on. Don't stop till you get it. Let me see something in it. Don't know that song too well. Wait, kitty! Jizanthipus! Alright. Now look. Come on! Get out of the fridge! Come on! Come on! Fluffy! Fluffy, come join! Jizanthipus! Yeah, that's what my cat does to get food. Go join your brother. They listen. They're so cute. Anyways, yeah, bye. I'm gonna close that and